Hi, it's Kathy from Raven Vintage. Welcome to my little craft room chat. This will be very quick. I need to apologize because I have announced, I think twice now, that I'm going to participate in the 100-day project, and I am actually here to tell you that I will not be participating in that project. However, I am still going to do something very similar. Instead of the 100-day project, I'll be doing 100 ways of using scraps. So that is the topic. However, that is broken down into subcategories, which I'll announce later. I'm going to be providing you with a checklist for that. And I just feel the responsibility to, actually, it's not even a responsibility. It just is what it is. I do not align with some of what I've seen. So, and it's a great initiative that they're doing. It's wonderful. A lot of their core values are good, but I'm starting to see other things sneak in, and that's not me. And so I'm just going to separate myself from that, and I am going to just hang out with you guys in my own way and do, like I said, 100 ways of using scraps. I'll find some catchy name for it. We are going to do this right through till April 30th. I just want something to get us through the winter. I just want to hang out. And these are going to be tiny little short videos, different projects. And like I said, we're going to change up the theme every 10 projects or so that it doesn't get monotonous. Now, if you want to, I have an idea, and I tried this. So do you see this envelope? I tried to see if I could come up with a different mailing solution for those of you that might want a base journal. I thought, okay, I can make this and offer this. So in the mail, you would get this guy. I would be happy to make some of these. They're just little, it's 6 signatures, very light, and it will be made from a file folder type of base or cover. Let me turn it this way. Some light scrapbook, tea-dyed paper, music sheets, and also I think there's a little ledger paper in here too. Yep. Okay, so if anyone's interested in one of these, I have established a price of $60 Canadian plus whatever the postage is to ship to you. And I can ship to almost anywhere. So, like I said, it's just 6 signatures. See that? Already sewn for you. A very light journal. You can decorate the cover, the spine. You can decorate the inside cover. So don't worry about the colors so much. And if you're not, and they'll all be a little bit different, but somewhat similar. The structure will be the same. The tea-dyed paper, the ledger paper, that will be the same in music sheets. It's just the scrapbook paper will change and the cover might change. So I have blue, just one sec, I'll show you. Okay, I have these kind of colors. These are what I have. And this is how many I have. And that's it. So I could always do a different cover. But if anyone's interested, let me know. And let me know very soon, because I'd like to get most of them made before we get into our 100 ways. So those are the colors. Pretty much a brown, a taupey color, and this blue, which is like this one here. So if anybody's interested, please let me know quickly. Let me know in the comments, or you can contact me by email, ravenvintageca@gmail.com, and I can arrange for that, and I can get them done, but let me know quickly. Okay, today is February 5th. And if you are interested, try to let me know by, say, February 14th, and we'll get started somewhere shortly after that. If you, in fact, if you do order one of these and you don't have your journal yet before we get started with the 100 ways, you can make these things and then add them to the journal after, which will be so simple. So don't worry about catching up. All right. So thanks for listening to my TED Talk. And again, I mean, no slay. Everyone is welcome here. And we are coming from a place of joy, not despair. And everyone is welcome here. Even my one hater, you're welcome here too, darling. And just so long as you're not mean. That's it. That's all I ask. Just don't be mean. Okay. So let me know if you'd like a journal. And again, so instead of 100 days, we'll be doing 100 ways starting soon, wrapping up by the end of April. Short little videos so you can catch up. You can do, 2 or 3 at a time if you like. I might even have 2 or 3 in one day because there might not be 100 days between. I don't know. I haven't really calculated it yet, but I do know I want to end this for April 30th. Okay. Any questions? Let me know. Talk to you soon. Bye.